Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone dealing with arthritis. We're going to talk about the 6 worst foods for arthritis that can exacerbate joint pain. But before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on valuable health information. Now, let's get started. Before we discuss the foods to avoid, let's quickly understand arthritis. Arthritis is a condition that causes inflammation in the joints, leading to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. What you eat can significantly impact the severity of your arthritis symptoms. So, let's talk about the foods that can make it worse. Number 1 on our list is processed foods. Processed foods, including fast food, sugary snacks, and convenience meals, are packed with trans fats and unhealthy oils. These can trigger inflammation in the body, worsening arthritis symptoms. Processed foods are detrimental for arthritis and inflammation because they contain trans fats. These artificial fats can trigger inflammation and are associated with a higher risk of heart disease. Processed foods often use oils high in omega-6 fatty acids, contributing to an imbalance that can lead to inflammation. Sugary processed foods can cause blood sugar spikes, promoting inflammation. Processed foods lack essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, necessary to combat inflammation. The high sodium content can lead to water retention and joint discomfort. Artificial additives and preservatives may contribute to inflammation and harm joint health. Processed foods are calorie-dense and can lead to excess weight, which increases stress on joints and worsens arthritis symptoms. Avoiding or limiting processed foods is crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting joint health. Opt for whole, nutrient-rich foods to manage arthritis and inflammation effectively. Food 2. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks like soda and fruit juices are high in added sugars, which can lead to inflammation. They also contribute to weight gain, increasing the pressure on your joints. Sugary drinks are bad for arthritis because they increase inflammation. High sugar content can lead to inflammation, worsening arthritis symptoms. Sugary drinks contribute to weight gain, stressing the joints. They can lead to insulin resistance, associated with higher inflammation levels. Some are acidic, potentially causing joint pain and inflammation. Sugary drinks lack nutrients that combat inflammation and support joint health. Food 3. Red meat. Red meat, such as beef, pork, and lamb, is high in saturated fats, which can promote inflammation. It's best to limit your consumption of these meats if you have arthritis. Red meat like beef, pork, and lamb is bad for arthritis because it's high in saturated fats, which can promote inflammation and worsen arthritis symptoms. The saturated fats in red meat can trigger the release of inflammatory chemicals in the body, such as cytokines. This inflammation can worsen arthritis symptoms and contribute to joint pain and stiffness. Additionally, excess saturated fats can lead to weight gain, increasing the stress on joints and worsening arthritis. Food 4. Dairy products. Dairy products like milk and cheese may worsen arthritis symptoms for some people. They contain proteins that can irritate the joints and increase inflammation. Dairy products can be bad for arthritis because they contain proteins like casein, which may trigger joint irritation and inflammation in some individuals. This is due to the body's immune response to these proteins, potentially worsening arthritis symptoms. Food 5. Refined grains. Refined grains found in white bread, pasta, and rice have a high glycemic index, leading to increased inflammation. Opt for whole grains to support joint health. Refined grains are detrimental for arthritis because they have a high glycemic index, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. These spikes can trigger inflammation, which worsens arthritis symptoms. Whole grains, in contrast, have a lower glycemic index and support joint health by reducing inflammation. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to inflammation and worsen arthritis symptoms. Limit your alcohol intake to help manage joint pain. Excessive alcohol is bad for arthritis as it can promote inflammation. Alcohol consumption can trigger inflammation in the body, exacerbating arthritis symptoms. Alcohol can interact with arthritis medications, reducing their effectiveness. Poor sleep due to alcohol can intensify pain and discomfort in individuals with arthritis. Alcohol can dehydrate the body, potentially worsening joint pain and stiffness. Liver problems from excessive alcohol can hinder the body's ability to process and eliminate toxins, potentially increasing inflammation. Limiting alcohol intake can help manage joint pain and improve overall arthritis management. Artificial trans fats, often found in margarine and some packaged snacks, can contribute to inflammation. Check food labels to avoid these harmful fats. Artificial trans fats are bad for arthritis because they can increase inflammation. Trans fats promote the release of inflammatory chemicals in the body, worsening arthritis symptoms. They can interfere with the body's ability to utilize beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Trans fats can damage cells and tissues, potentially aggravating joint pain and stiffness. Consumption of trans fats is associated with higher levels of inflammatory markers in the bloodstream. Checking food labels to avoid artificial trans fats is crucial for managing arthritis, as it reduces the risk of inflammation and supports joint health. Remember, your diet plays a crucial role in managing arthritis and inflammation. By avoiding these 7 worst foods and embracing healthier choices, you can take control of your joint health and overall well-being. Now that we've discussed the foods to avoid, let's talk about healthier alternatives. Opt for an anti-inflammatory diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Incorporate a colorful array of fruits and vegetables into your diet. These foods are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that combat inflammation. Examples include berries, oranges, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and trout are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have potent anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce joint pain and stiffness. Nuts and seeds, like walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are rich in healthy fats, including omega-3s and monounsaturated fats. These fats are anti-inflammatory and support joint function. Olive oil. Olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet and is rich in monounsaturated fats, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil contains polyphenols, which are antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Besides its anti-inflammatory benefits, olive oil is known for promoting heart health, which is essential for individuals with arthritis due to the link between heart health and joint health. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with others who may benefit, and subscribe for more health tips. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest asset. Stay tuned for more informative content, and until next time, take care and prioritize your joint health.